In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Adobe Acrobat from laptop. We'll walk through the process on a Windows computer using the control panel, and I'll explain what to expect along the way so nothing catches you off guard. First, sit at your Windows laptop or desktop and make sure you're logged into an account with permission to install and remove programs. It's also a good idea to save your work and close Adobe Acrobat if it's open so the uninstaller can run smoothly. Now press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. With the menu open, start typing Control Panel. You should see Control Panel appear as a search result. When you do, press Enter to open it. If you don't see it right away, keep typing until it shows up, and make sure you select the classic Control Panel app, not Settings. Inside the Control Panel window, look for the Program section. Click Uninstall a program. This opens a list of all the software installed on your computer. It may take a moment to load if you have lots of apps. In the list, scroll and look for Adobe Acrobat. Depending on what you installed, it might be labeled Adobe Acrobat, Acrobat DC, Acrobat Pro, or Adobe Acrobat Reader. Make sure you select the exact one you want to remove. If you have more than one Adobe product installed, double-check the name so you don't uninstall the wrong program. Left-click once on Adobe Acrobat to highlight it. When it's selected, click Uninstall at the top of the list. On some systems, you might also see an uninstall option if you right-click the app name. Windows may ask for confirmation or show a security prompt. Choose Yes to continue. The Adobe Uninstaller will launch and guide you through the removal. Follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked whether to keep or remove preferences and user data. If you don't plan to reinstall soon and want a fresh start, removing preferences can help. If you're unsure, keeping them is fine. The process can take a few minutes. Avoid interrupting it and let the progress bar complete. When it's done, you should see a confirmation message. Some systems will recommend a restart to finish cleaning up files. If prompted, save your work and restart to ensure the uninstall is fully complete. That's it. You've successfully removed Adobe Acrobat from your laptop. If you ever need it again, you can reinstall it later from Adobe's official website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make the process straightforward and stress-free.